Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Like and share. Today our topic is let these apps run in the background. If you like to go online almost all the time and do something, whatever it may be, there is a way for you to make extra money. Today, there are 4 rewards apps to help you make that extra cash you need even without doing anything other than downloading them. Granted, you are not going to be rich, but you will now you'd earn enough to pay your bills and more. Who doesn't like that, right? Treat these apps as your side hostels without your side hosting. Here are their money making and rewards apps you can use now. Gives $10 monthly. Get a gift card after a week of being a member. One $100 from this. $5 service saving. More effort, more gains. Here's where the fun stuff begins. You will find the most ritual facts on how to make money online for free. But these ideas are how to start with these sites, hostels, DC, find more. Here on the steps to follow to make passive income. Share your knowledge. This isn't something new, but it's good one. If you want to find some legit ways to make money online without investment, the best place to start is with you. There are about 7 billion people around the world, and many people don't have the knowledge and or experience you may have that they need. Capitalize on this and make a lot of money from them. You could easily make $15 a day online when you go this route. If you are single or stay-home mom and have spare time on your hands and is finding ways to make money. If you are create a paid course on how to survive as a single or stay-home mom, you will find that more people are in the same boat as you and will find value in what you offer. Teach people how to work on their time management, cook food, study while balancing your duties at home. It is people will pay you money to teach them. If you have marketable skill, whether it is a skill in communication, leadership, or something else, teach people. You'll find that there are folks out there who are willing to learn your skill and be prepared to pay for you teach them. If you be taught hard and felt like you don't have anything special, make a course on what you will learn it from your mistakes. Everyone has his own place. Show people what mistake you be made and how you turn it things around. Believe it or not, inspiration is a powerful thing that can move people, can help you learn how to earn money without paying anything. Start making money now with these ideas. Create your own blog. Blogging turned it out of be a money making hostel for me. It could be money making matching for you too. It is one way to make money now and in the future. Now I am making over $20 while investing 5 hours of my time on it monthly. It does provide me more good things that I could have ever imagined. Believe it or not, you have don't have a experience in blogging or reach to run a profitable blog.